This is the interactive board scenarios activity. After you put your name here, let's read the directions. Directions. Read the scenario. Circle if you think the student is being appropriate or inappropriate. Scenario 1. Shannon needs help on her math activity that she is working on. She put her name on the help board. Is this appropriate or inappropriate? You'll circle your answer. Scenario 2. Joe is having a lot of trouble with his read to self. He put his name on the Small Group Mini Lesson or SGML board for a main idea mini lesson. Is this appropriate or inappropriate? Scenario 3. Carrie loves multiplication. She decides to put her own name on the expert board without telling her teacher. Is this appropriate or inappropriate? Scenario 4. Clayton wants to know when field day is. He writes his question on a sticky note and puts it on the parking lot. Is this appropriate or inappropriate? Scenario 5. Travis needs help with arrays. Before he puts his name on the help board, he decides to check the expert board to see if there are any experts on arrays. Is this appropriate or inappropriate? Scenario 6. Kim wants to know what field trips we will be going on this year. She puts her name on the help board. Is this appropriate or inappropriate? Choose a scenario that you put as inappropriate. Put the number of the scenario here. The numbers are right here at the top of the cards. And in the box to the right, explain what the student should have done so that they are acting appropriately. Pick another scenario that you put as inappropriate. Put the number here. And in the box to the right, explain what the student should have done so that they are acting appropriately.